2017 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, rear window defroster, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, trip computer, compass, electronic stability control, CD player, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.